Good morning, third class. So, third class, last week we were doing chapter 5, working with paint. So, we will have the follow up of the same chapter, and today we will study page number 39 and 40. So, last week we had just did on page number 38 the heading using select tool. Now, how do we use select tool? First, draw the monkey as shown in the figure. Click on the rectangle selection tool that is shown in the figure. To choose the object, place the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected. Click and hold down the left mouse button and drag around an outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button when it is completely selected. Now using freeform selection tool, you can see it in the figure. The freeform selection tool is used to choose any symmetric portion and place it on another location. First is select the freeform selection tool, place pointer on the drawing area as it is shown. Select the object, example nose of the monkey, by holding down the left mouse button and moving the pointer around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button after selecting the object, that is nose. Drag the nose towards left as shown in the figure. Now click on undo button and observe the change. So this way we can use free-form selection tool. Now next is moving an object. How do we move an object? Sketch the picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Now select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of select tool. A rectangle with dashed line will appear in the region of the picture as shown in the figure. You can see it. Click on cut option in the clipboard group on home tab from here. Examine that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Now on page number 40 we will see using paste option. Click on paste option. Now the object that you have cut will resurface on the top left corner of the drawing area. As you can see here in the toolbar, this is the paste option. Now place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. The selection box can be removed by clicking outside the selected area as you see it in the figure. Now copying an object. Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. Select the drawing using select tool from here. Select the copy command on the home tab. Click on paste command in the clipboard group on the home tab. A duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. You can move the pictures to any location. Now drawing different shapes. You can see ready-made shapes in the figure. We can draw different shapes in paint. Ready-made shapes are present in the shapes group at ribbon. Select any shape, hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse. We can change the look of the ready-made shapes as per our need. So this way we have seen copying an object using different shapes and moving an object and using freeform selection tool. So based on this, I have prepared a study material and some extra question answers. That question answers you will write in your notebook and learn it. Good day.